Hello students, welcome to the maths class of standard 7. Now exercise 7.2. Question number 1. Which congruence criterion do you use in the following? So here 4 examples are given. In these 4 figures, which criteria is used you have to say. First one, directly you can give the answer without saying the figure. Here 3 sides are compared. Okay. So only 3 sides are compared. It means side criterion. Second one, 2 sides and 1 angle. So it will be side angle side criterion. Next, 2 angles. You can see here 2 angles and 1 side. That is a equivalent, that congruence to each other. So it is a angle side angle. Next, fourth one, 2 sides are compared and 1 angle, that is angle angle A and C, 90 degree. So that is one more right hand side criterion. Okay, let's see the answer. In the first here, by SSS congruence criterion, because here it is given 3 sides of one triangle are equal to the 3 corresponding sides of other triangle. You have to write the reason also. B, by side angle side criterion. Why? Because 2 sides and 1 angle in one of the triangle are equal to the corresponding side and angles of the other triangle. Okay, so here angle side angle and here right hand side criterion. Question number 2. You want to show that triangle ART is equal to triangle PEN. First one, if you have to use triple S criterion, then you need to show AR is equal to okay, no need to show the figure. From this one thing only you can give the answer. AR, it means first 2 letters. So it will be here also first 2 letters. So AR is equal to PE. RT is equal to last 2 letters, second and third. So here EN. Then first and third AT. So here PN. Okay. Now second one, angle T is equal to angle N. SAS criterion. So RT is equal to EN it is given and PN is equal to AT. You can see. Next, angle side angle. So 2 angles you have to give answer, side already given. RAT. So what is the middle letter? A, that is the main angle. So here A is there, first letter. So here also angle P. Understood? We are showing the angle by middle letter. So what is the middle letter here? A. So here angle A, that is congruent to angle P. Okay, because here first letter is P. Same thing you have to write here. And ENF left out, ENN, that you can write either sides. Same way T. So here correspond to T, it is a N. So here ENP. Next question, figure is given. Okay, and in this figure 2 triangles are given. First one AMP, second one AMQ. Both the triangles are congruent to each other. So here missing reasons you have to write. First one, PM is equal to QM. PM is equal to QM. It is given here already in the figure, because this is the symbol, this is the sign. It shows that both the sides are same. So first one given. Second one, PMA QMA. PMA, this angle and angle QMA. So these 2 angles given. Why? Because here 2 signs are given, both signs are same. It shows that both the angles are also equal. AM, this AM. So it's a common, okay, in both the triangles. AMP and AMQ. AMP and AMQ. Why it is same? Which criterion is used? First one, this side. Second one, angle. And third one, again this is the side. So here two sides are equal and one angle is equal. Two side, it means pair of two sides are equal and pair of one angle is equal. So it is a SAS congruence rule. Question number 4. In triangle ABC, angle A, B and C it is given, and in triangle PQR, angle PQ and R it is given. Okay. So a student says that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by triple A congruous criterion. Is he justified? Why or why not? So let me give you an example. Here answer is no. So that is a correct answer. It is not compulsory, it is not necessary if all three angles are same. So all three angles of two triangles are same, then it is a congruent by triple A criterion. Here let me draw one triangle. Triangle A, B and C, and here triangle PQR. Okay, here 30 degree, 40 degree, 110 degree. Here 30, 40 and 110 degree. Now, can you say that this both the triangles are same? Yes, they are same by angles, but they are not same by size. Understood? So angles can be the same, but side cannot be the same. So this criterion is not used here. So what is the answer? No. Because the two triangles with equal corresponding angles need not be congruent. In such a correspondence, one of them can be enlarged copy of other. Same thing. Okay. Here second triangle is enlarged copy of first triangle. Question number 5. In the figure, the two triangles are congruent. Okay. The corresponding parts are marked. We can write triangle RAT is equal to or correspondence to triangle. Okay. First, angle A. So here in the first triangle, angle A, that is corresponding to angle. Which angle in the second triangle? So let's see the mark. This is the mark it is given. In the second triangle, where it is given? It is given here. It means A and O both are correspondence. So A is corresponding to O. Second one, R. Here it is R. This is the mark. Where is it given? Here. So R corresponding to W and T, that is corresponding to N. So R, that is the name of the triangle RAT. So R corresponding to W. So first you have to write W. Then A. A corresponding to O. So here second letter will be O, and at last N. So triangle WON. It's a by SAS congruence rule. So it is not compulsory. You have to find out the name of the triangle only. Now remaining examples we will see in the next part. Thank you.